Hi, it's Links here. What's your feeling today? Is it sad face? Angry? When you see your loved one? Or happy face? Why do we feel so emotional sometimes? I think because we consume too much sugar into our body. And the blood sugars go up and down, up and down. That's why it causes our emotional feeling. So I think less sugar can help to reduce your emotional feelings. This is one of the ingredients to make today's healthy snacks. Are you ready? Let's start it. Ta-da! It's Madeleine! Tastes like orange. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and hope you enjoy my video. See you next time!